Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to must close all apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone or any other Android phone. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up a few more applications here that I want to open, right? So let's say I open up these, and if you click the three lines on the lower left hand side, you will see that I have a bunch of different applications open, quite a lot of them. And normally, how do you close these applications? You normally do a swipe up on any application and it will close that application, right? So as you can see, I still have quite a lot more there. Now, in order to must close all of these applications, if you look towards the bottom center there, you see close all. Now, if I tap on close all, guess what happened? It closed all of those applications. So once I click the three lines on the lower left hand side again, you realize no more apps. So all of those apps are no close, and that's how you easily must close all apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone or any other Android phone. Very easy and very simple.